Woo! Hello beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Unreal Magic. And today I'm here with you and I'm going to try to vanish this fork. So let's try to vanish this fork. So, how did I make this fork vanish? I'll tell you the secret. Well, you gotta grab this fork and you have to hold it like this. You can hold it anywhere, but make sure that you cover the fork. And you need to keep the fork at the edge of the table, not extremely at the end, so because the audience will know it's fake. So you can keep it a bit closer to the edge, and then you have to grab the fork, and while grabbing the fork I'm gonna slide this fork down. See? Now while I'm holding the fork, I'm gonna slide this fork down, and I'm still gonna do this, and then ta-da! So that's how you do it. And please do like the videos and subscribe to my channel, and there's more coming soon. Stay connected.